Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see I'm currently working on my IT company and company are providing me. We are going to start new project and the specific project the company are providing new laptop and just only I'm receiving now from this laptop comes in UK and I am receiving this laptop in Denmark here. So as a courier point of view, I am paying 1,896 Danish krona, around 20,000 Indian rupees, but company are refunding me this money. So let's start as an unboxing, which types of laptop are company providing me. We can see as a demo. So look at this here, entire all detailed informations are available here, but we can see as inside the box. It's possibility to company are providing me old laptop because of this laptop only 1 month project requirement only, and then again I am returning this laptop, but hope so. Let's see the new laptop or old one. This is an adapter, simply C type adapter. I can use my Mac adapter also here. The bag, beautiful bag. Inside the bag we see. So let's see. Yeah, its company are providing me Dell laptop. I think so. This is a new, and laptop is start. Just enough. One bag, C port cable, and I am receiving laptop. It's very simple unboxing. Company are providing me this laptop, just only one project requirement is company, and again I am returning this laptop correct after 1 month. So it's standardization of IT company, IT organization. It's quite amazing. This is a key. I'm scanning this particular key and then their laptop is working. So I'm using this laptop. Next month I'm working on my new project task. It's amazing. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon and press subscribe button. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.